Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. This is kind of a special one because I've never done this on camera. Today I'm gonna make my vision board and tell you how to plan for yours. So without much blabbering, let's get started. First thing is, of course, the things that you need physically, because I believe online vision board ki jagah, if you're making something that is handmade and offline, then it will be great instead of an online vision board जो आपके फोन पे है. I mean, मैंने 2024 में PicsArt में बैठ के एक vision board बनाया था. It really worked out for me. Of course, it motivates you, but when you make a physical one, like in a canvas, even after making it physically, keep a picture on your phone, probably on your wallpaper, या wallpaper पे नहीं रखना तो you can keep it in your gallery. And if you're watching this video, that means you already believe in vision boards. But I really want to say that vision boards work. It has worked for me at least. Like, I made this video on Instagram and it's like so real. When I look at it, I'm like, so many things actually matched up, and I think there's not one thing that solo trip मेरे को करना था वो नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मैं कर नहीं पाई या I had all chances and I could do it very easily, and other than that, everything that I wished for, I did it, and I love 2024. What's up for a separate video? Let's talk about the first thing. These are things that you need for making a vision board. You can of course add in your things, but this is what you need for like the most basic version of it. And most important, we have like 5 more days for the year to get over. So have your vision for the next year. Just, it could be very like एस्पिरेशनल कि आप मतलब बंगला गाड़ी मांग रहे हो, या इट कुड बी मेंटल पीस, फ्रेंड्स, गुड रिलेशनशिप्स. इट कुड बी वेरी बेसिक tattoos, piercings. Yeah, it could be very like high value stuff as well, like your own house, your own car. So whatever you want to achieve that is achievable, मतलब moon पे जाना ये सब मत लिखना. Everything that is achievable in the next year, write it and keep it in your phone ka notes. I have my notes right here. I had written everything that I wanted. और ये सब ना passing thoughts है. एक दिन में you cannot form a vision board. You keep thinking every day, you overthink. अचानक से you will get this idea that no, I want this also. So then just keep it on your notes. After 5 or 7 days of writing things down, make sure you sit down and search on Pinterest. Search everything that you have written down, any picture that is relatable or anything that you have aspirations about. Just take screenshots or download the pictures and have a separate folder for all the pictures that you like. People also say that magazine से आप print out ले सकते हो. Of course ले सकते हो, but that's very time consuming, I believe, and I haven't done it. But you can, if you really love art and you like doing such stuff, it's therapeutic to you, तो आप कर सकते हो, but I haven't. Also, the next thing is texts. So texts have to be like a little aesthetic or Pinteresty. At least for me, whatever you like, you can do it. But I got texts like these. I have like a mixture of pinks, some little bows to give on the above, and I have like this 2024. This one I made on PicsArt. So you can also go create your own pictures on PicsArt, Canva, and Canva ka 7 din ka trial is free. So on the trial, you can make a lot of things on Canva. I kid you not. I have the Canva Premium already, but for those who are not creating content, you should get Canva ka trial version. It's like so good for basic editing or finding stuff that is aesthetic. So we have pictures, we have the idea, and we have texts as well. Now we get on to cutting, and let's get started with cutting my bits and pieces. I got a lot of printouts. See, I have all these pictures, and of course I'm gonna add a close-up. I'm not gonna explain everything single pakad ke because nobody should be interested about my vision board. These are some really cute heart-shaped things that I got. This is how I want my birthday to be, 23. And this is the vision board paper cutout that I got. These are magazine cutouts, so you basically go and you search and you get it. And if you want something, I can also add a link. Also, we are selling vision boards, so if you don't want to मतलब इतना काम लगा के आपको नहीं करना, you can make your own custom vision board with us. We are selling high quality vision boards at $999 only, and the offer is limited till 30th of January, so you can go and place your order directly if you don't want to, you know, itna kaam nahi karna. I got this canvas because it is a medium sized one. Something that is like super big, wo aap rakh nahi paoge theek se, and something that is very small will not be sufficient to, you know, hold everything. So this is the perfect sized canvas. It's 8 into 10, which is like 20 centimeter into like 25 centimeter. So this is the canvas that I picked, and these are like very high quality. Brustro is the brand's name. These are so high quality. I also paint, and I paint on these. They have small canvases as well, and it's like so good quality. Now that the explaining is done, I am gonna get right into it because today is the vision board making night and I am super excited. So let's start by cutting the pictures, and then the process is gonna be super long. This will take me around 2-3 hours, so bear with it. Guys, it is pretty evident that this is the next day. I got so tired and I had to sleep, take a nap. So मैं उठी और I decided to do this setup before this video ends because this is a very special video and will always be in my heart. I will of course refer to this video every year, and I am so excited to show you how my vision board 2025 looks like. This is a collage of so many inspirations, so many pictures. I have to mention that जब आप एक vision board के लिए print out कर रहे हो, you will find a lot of inspirations and a lot of pictures, but of course you cannot use all the pictures in a single vision board. So I have broken it down, crisped it, and used every details that I needed. Like this, you'll see the stars came in a very big picture where there were constellations, but I decided to only use the text and cut the extra part. And basically there is no tutorial of a vision board ever because your aesthetic is your aesthetic and I can never match it, and what you like is absolutely on you. So this is a basic guideline, but I can never match what you exactly want, or I can't give you a tutorial of how it is done because there are no rules in making a vision board. It took me 5 to 6 hours to make this because it wasn't really that easy. From getting inspiration to cutting the pictures and then, you know, placing it, it's a job. So to make your job easy, we are selling vision boards on Chic worth $999 only. So what you have to do is just send us the inspiration pictures from Pinterest, or you can also write text and send what you exactly want and mail it on this mail address. I'm also gonna give all the details in the description box down below. After you're done mailing, you have to only wait for 5 days and you will get your vision board 2025. We are only selling it till 30th of Jan, and make sure you get one for yourself because I haven't seen vision boards that are this customized but so affordable. So order yourself one now on chicbyruchika.in or message us on Instagram and we'll help you further with how it is to be done. It's simple, just take inspiration and send us the pictures. So that is it about this video, you guys, and that is about my pretty Pinteresty vision board of the year. I'm of course going to hang it on my wall and I can't take my eyes off of it. Loved how 24 went and how my vision board played a big role. So I hope 25 turns out great for all of us. I'm gonna make a 24 rewind video like I always do all these years. So wait for it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video and order your vision boards now. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye bye.